Grand Rising, welcome into the video. I'm making myself a little breakfast. Today is gonna be as much of a reset as I can do. I've been like seeing a lot of YouTube videos that I've been trying to like use as inspiration or help with like how to reset, but ultimately I'm just going to get a long to-do list of things I need to get done, and then I think I'm probably gonna just like put my headphones on and get as much done as I can. My hair is in this like, what even is this? Anyway, I have a lot of laundry to do. I have grocery shopping I need to do. I need to clean this apartment, and honestly, today is a great day to do that because I don't really want to tap into what's going on outside of my little space, and so I'm just going to focus on that. That's what today is going to be. And that's all for now. I decided to use one of my old journals that from like childhood. This is literally from 2004. And I never really, shocker, wrote much in it. So rather than getting like a new notebook or whatever, plus like look how cutie she is. I don't know, maybe that's just me. I think I want to take off this plastic covering because it's kind of like sharp in some, yeah. And I just put my grocery list in it. But I got that finalized, and a load of laundry in the wash. This is not focusing. I unloaded the dishwasher, reloaded it. I really need to sweep. There's still plenty of cleaning and things to be done, but I'm crossing off things here and there, so yeah, I just wanted to share that. I just love like incorporating parts of my childhood into my everyday life. I don't know. Try it. Wow, loving my hair. I'm going to import the footage that I have and edit some vlogs and take a little break. I'm going to take a little break from cleaning. Nuts. And edit, just have a little downtime before I get back to everything. I've made a decent dent on my list of things that I need to do. There's still plenty to do, but I've also gotten a lot done. So, yeah, I'm gonna take a break. I'm wearing a turtleneck. Underneath that I have a long sleeve white shirt and then my jacket, and change into some leggings. Gotta be able to stay warm. All right, let's go get some groceries. Forgot my bags in my car. Love that for me. I got a yoga mat. It's like such a good, thick, squishy one. It was only $20, so I had to get it. And then I have 1, 2, 3 full bags, plus a case of water and a 12-pack. I'm so tired. I'm not gonna go through every single thing, but I feel like I got a lot more like ingredients rather than just like a bunch of frozen food, because I want to be able to like make my own chili and cozy home cooked meals. So I'm gonna put this all away. I'm watching some vlogs. I'm running out of energy. It's 5 p.m. Yeah, but it's been a lovely day. My energy is spent. So this ended up being way shorter of a video, and I kind of want to play around with some more voiceover moments, so that's what this is, obviously. But I got done like a pretty regular amount of chores, nothing exceptional or extraordinary. The laundry still took me multiple days. That's pretty normal for me. But I was able to at least feel a little bit more caught up in the chores and tasks that were very much needing to be completed. And yeah, I don't know really what else to say. October's being a cutie patootie, a distinguished little gentleman. Anyway, I hope you were able to at least get some entertainment out of this video, and I will see you in the next one.